Verdict, count one. We, the jury, find as follows as to the defendant, Trayvon Newsom, in this case. The defendant is guilty of murder in the first degree as charged in the indictment. During the course of the crime committed, did the defendant, Trayvon Newsom, actually possess a firearm? Yes. Count two. We, the jury, find as follows as to the defendant, Trayvon Newsom, in this case. The defendant is guilty of armed robbery as charged in the indictment. During the course of the crime committed, did the defendant, Trayvon Newsom, actually possess a firearm? Yes. So say we all, this 28th day of March, 2023, at Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, Florida, signed by the foreperson. You decide which the jurors hold.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam Clerk, you'll poll the jurors.
Yes. Juror 1, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 5, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 8, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 10, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 12, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 3, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 4, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 7, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 6, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 9, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Juror 2, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
And Juror 11, are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges that are enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room, except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We recognize for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you're also at liberty to refuse to speak with anyone. A request may come from those who are simply curious or from those who might seek to find fault with you. It will be up to you to decide whether or not to preserve your privacy as jurors. And with that said, on behalf of the 17th Circuit, the state of Florida, all the parties, again, I want to thank you for your time and attention and the sacrifice you made in being with us these many days. I know you heard at the beginning of the jury selection and when I excused many of the other potential jurors how serious I take jury service and how important it really is. Short of service in our armed forces, there is no higher call for citizen work than to come in and give your time and to become the judges of the facts. So again, it is with my deep appreciation for your time and sacrifice in being with us. I do have for you these certificates of appreciation suitable for framing, they tell me. I don't know that anyone actually frames these. However, you might want to hang on to these certificates for at least 12 months. If you get called in for jury service in the next 12 months, these certificates will show that you fulfilled your civic obligation and are exempted from jury service for 12 whole months. 12 months and 1 day, they're not going to work anymore, and we'll be happy to have you back. But in any event, again, I do want to thank you for your time and attention. I'm going to present you with these, and with that, you will be free to go.